Good day everyone. So this is just a continuation of quarter 2 module 11, simplifying radical expressions. So quotient rule for radicals for any real numbers a and b is not equal to 0 if all roots are defined by nth root of a over b is equals to nth root of a all over nth root of b. So take note here, parehas yung index nila, so pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as hiwalay. So we have here, example, is square root of 75 all over square root of 36. Pansinin natin na ang index nila parehas is 2. Since same po sila ng index, we can rewrite this one as square root of 75 all over square root of 36. Next thing is to get the factor of 75. So that is 25 times 3 and then 5 times 5. So, this is 5 squared times 2. Next, bakit kailangan natin dalawang same number? It's because the index here is 2. Next, 36, factor niya is 6 times 6. Pwede na ba tayo mag-stop dyan? Yes, it's because ang requirements lang para makalabas is dalawang magkamuka. Meron na, which is 6 times 6. Kunin natin yung factors. Yung square root of 75, that is 5 squared times 3 all over square root of 6 squared. So, index here is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, lalabas po si 5 sa loob ng radical sign. Next, the exponent of 3 here is 1. And if we divide 1 by 2, it will not give us a whole number. So, ma-retain siya sa loob ng radical sign si 3 all over. Index here is 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So, lalabas si 6 sa loob ng radical sign. Therefore, square root of 75 over square root of 36 is equals to 5 square root of 3 all over 6. Next, let's have this next example. So again, they have same index, so we can write this one in this form. This is the square root of 18x cubed all over square root of 49xy squared. So factor natin sa 18, that is 9 times 2, 3 times 3. So, ang requirement para makalabas is dalawang parehas na number. So, meron na tayo noon, that is 3. And 3 squared is 9 times 2, that is 18. Next, 49. That is 7 times 7. So, this is 7 squared. Write na natin. So, this is 3 squared times 2 times x cubed all over 7 squared xy squared. Simplifying this one, so index here is 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So we can, lalabas na po si 3 sa loob ng radical sign. Iwan po si 2. Next, ilang 2 meron sa 3? Meron tayong isang 2 sa 3 and may sobra tayong isang x. So, yung sobra po doon is may iwan sa loob. All over, so this is 2. Lalabas si 7, lalabas si y, square root of x. Take note, ito po is 3x all over 7y. At ito po ay they share same index. So, parehas ng index which is 2. So, we can write this one as 2x all over x. So, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, pwede nating i-cancel out si x. So, we have here 3x square root of 2 all over 7y is the final answer. Next, we have here square root of 200 xy to the 4 x to the 8th power all over 5x raised to the 5th power. So note that we can rewrite this one as 200 x to the 8th power all over 5 x to the 5th power. Note, 200 divided by 5, that is 40. That is the square root of 40. Next, so we have here same base, and this is quotient. All we need to do is to copy the base and subtract the exponent. So 8 minus 5. So this is square root of 40 x2 cube. Next, ngayon, ipa-factor natin ngayon si 40. Factor ni 40, dapat meron tayong dalawang magkamukhang number na lalabas para makalabas. So, we have here 10 times 4 and this is 2 times 2. So, meron na tayong dalawa. Factor pa natin sa 5, that is 5 times 2. So, 2 squared times 2 times 5. 2 squared times 2 times 5 times x cubed. So, index here is 2. So, lalabas po yung isang 2 natin. So, retain po si 2 times 5. Retain si 2. Bakit? The exponent is 1. 1 divided by 2 will not give us a whole number. So, decimal or fraction, kaya retain sa loob. Same thing with 5. Ang exponent niya is 1. So, it will not give us a quotient of a whole number. Next, ang exponent ng x natin is 3. So, ilang 2 meron sa 3? So, meron tayong isang 2. So, yung x po is, yung isang x nasa labas, yung isang x ay nasa loob. Simplifying this one, 2x times x, 2x times 2 times x, that is 2x, sorry. Square root of 2 times 5 is 10 times x is 10x. Therefore, square root of 200 x to the 8th power divided by square root of 5x to the 5th power is equals to 2x square root of 10x. Next, how about this one? So, we have here factor po natin si 8. That is 4 times 2, 2 times 2. So, we have 2 squared times 2 as its factor. So, 25, 5 times 5. So, we have here 2, 5. So, pwede na po natin i-write as 8x to the 4th all over square root of 25. Factor na natin. So, this is 2 squared times 2 x to the 4th all over 5 squared. So, simplifying this one, this is 2. And then, retain sa loob si 2. And then, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, this is x squared all over 5. Therefore, square root of 8x to the 4th all over 25 is equal to 2x squared, square root of 2 all over 5.